few minutes ago when I put it back in its slot, it was rumbling pretty loud. Insert a yo mama joke right here. Anyway, this thing is a hot air gun. It blows out very hot air through the tip, which is of course adjustable from 100 to 500 degrees, depends on the hot air station. And this specific hot air station gun, pew pew, this has a small fan inside of it. So this is what you could call a cheap hot air station, because it does not have a pump. It's just a small fan. And that small fan is the thing that's grinding its gears. All we gotta do to fix it is just to drip a little bit of a lube onto the bearing. 2 drips of this oily goodness, and then we cover the sticker back up like a blanket on a baby for nighttime. Same procedure as taking it apart, except that it's backwards. If you want to support my videos, you can always buy me a coffee. Have a nice day.